Hey everyone, Jamie Purviance here in gorgeous Sonoma Valley, working on Weber's next big book. This is day 15 of a 45-day shoot schedule. You guys are going to love selling this book. It will be the most amazingly instructive, visually stunning book we've ever done. I'm talking about much more than a recipe collection. Every recipe that's in this book is there to teach a technique or two worth remembering. And we're photographing every single recipe, including those porterhouse steaks over there that are served with a sauce you can make right on a cutting board. I just love how easy and gratifying this recipe is. Now check this out. The next recipe in the book is for cooking porterhouse steaks on the rocks, or basically right on the embers. This is a jaw-dropping technique, but the key is learning how to do it without setting your meat on fire. Fortunately, the great thing about this book is it shows you how to do it right every step of the way, with more than 1,000 step-by-step photos. I have a bunch of other features planned for the book. There's a fun food science column with lots of aha moments for the readers. We've got a recurring feature called Flavor Bombs, where I show at a glance a handful of easy weeknight variations of everyone's favorite grilled foods. There's a lot more I'd love to tell you about this book. But it looks like I gotta turn my steaks. I gotta go. I just wanted you to know that this book is gonna be unlike any other book ever published on grilling. So get ready to sell a blockbuster.